Here is the packaging for this honeysuckle vine that I bought from Gurney's. And so you can see how well they package it. So I just use my pocket knife and cut it open, and they package them real well. And it's just glued to the bottom, so just pull it up. And then cut the plastic off of the pot. And then dig a hole a little bit bigger than the pot, and just set it in there. First squeeze the sides of the pot, then turn it upside down, holding it together like that. Then set it in there in the hole and hold it at ground level. So the ground level in the pot is the same as the ground level you're putting it in. And then just hold it and start to push the dirt in around it that you just dug up while holding it at ground level. And then you can just pat it all down, and that's it. It's now planted. And this right here where I'm planting it, this is in March, but you want to keep it especially watered well, in the first year, and then it should be growing okay on its own. Here it is, the next year growing. You can see the little red blooms. Those are typical honeysuckle blooms. There's some honeysuckle berries there in back which come from ones that have bloomed. And here's another bloom just before it opens. Here's another one. The blooms haven't opened yet. There's some where the blooms have all opened up. Honeysuckle is so pretty. It's one of my favorites. And I think hummingbirds like it too, but I don't remember seeing hummingbirds on this. In fact, that's actually why I planted it. So here it is. It's been growing here for a couple years. And if you like this video, can you please subscribe to my channel? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And I will talk to you next time. So thanks a lot for watching, and goodbye.